But if you shut it, you kill it.
So it'll work.
The
Yeah.
light closes or
Okay,
nothing.
why is
Yeah.
that, all this is
Why
like
is cotton
your,
wood good?
Yeah.
just, and then they add that,
Density, certain.
Hi,
what
buddy.
that was just all this, just,
You used to be able, I came in the other day, this chair, which is always here, was over there. He took it with him.
You
and
can't
he-
go
And he doesn't
any
give
farther.
up. He's so stubborn. Back it up. Attaboy. No.
So that
Some days you're so smart. Some
Yeah,
days
the
you're
Yeah, I
ash,
guess
all
so.
that ash on the top, she wanna write down.
right in there.
It's very cute, and you would get this with littles when they're really tiny. They'll come in here and they're not afraid when they're really tiny, little toddlers, you know. And they're
And the
all
other
about
great
it.
thing
You
about
gotta watch,
it,
make sure their
it's
toes
a
don't get
long
stepped on.
flame, so if I
And
blow on
the
it gently,
littlest
if
ones,
if
like
it's
the
wet out or if
2-year-olds,
it's colder
they'll
out,
be
if
like,
I just
they
give
have to
it
be
a
held
gentle
back.
flame, right?
Oh.
If it's hot and
And then
dry,
they'll
I
do
can
this, they'll
quick
turn
blow it,
around.
it should light my whole teepee fire up.
Everyone who wants to sit on it. I don't know if it's out for them. Within a month or
there's
two,
something
they
to
come
eat
in and,
there.
hey, we're
Dude,
gonna
don't eat
sit
it
down.
too much
Then
to see it. That's my life
He's
story.
gonna
There's
check
a
it
level
out.
of
That's a
that
fiber.
interest and fear.
Yeah.
The
He's
fear
smiling.
of things that might not be safe or something that happens.
He is.
My boyfriend's
Isn't he?
He's got the most
6-year-old nephew
intelligent
now
looking eyes, too.
came in the other day and he came to see.
I do like his legs.
I think I'd like you to put TJ away, feed him something in another room so he's busy and I can.
Oh, I hate attention.
Yeah.
But it's real. You have fear, he's on the table, so we just honored it and he said, well, you know, I can't make him go away in another room, that's not fair to him. But I know he won't bother you because he's never bothered you through his career.
Guys at 10. Yeah, what's up, man? Alright, alright.
And this braid is just